Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today, I'm going to show you how to reply to a WhatsApp message without even opening the app. This is super convenient if you're looking to stay quick with replies but don't want to get fully distracted by going into WhatsApp. To make this work, you'll need to set up your notifications properly. So let's go over the steps. First, head into your iPhone's settings and tap on notifications. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp in your list of apps. Once you're in the WhatsApp notification settings, make sure that notifications are turned on. I'd also recommend enabling banner notifications if you haven't already. This setup makes it much easier to reply without needing to open the full app. Banners make it a breeze to interact directly from the lock screen or even while you're using other apps. Now, when a WhatsApp message comes through, you'll see a notification on your lock screen or as a banner. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of tapping on it, press and hold the notification. Or if you're using the banner, you can just swipe down on it. Either way works. This action will pull up a quick reply text box. In the quick reply box, type your response. This lets you reply without leaving your current screen or opening the WhatsApp app at all. Once you're done, simply tap send to shoot off your reply. And that's it. This setup allows you to respond to messages faster without getting sidetracked by all the conversations inside WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more quick and useful iPhone tips. See you later.